In today's video, we're diving into one of the most popular tools for traders and investors. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, this is a powerful ally for spotting trends and making informed decisions in volatile markets. We'll cover what this indicator is, how it works to identify potential entry and exit points, the pros and cons of using it in your trading strategy. Stick around as I show you how to set it up, interpret its signals, and even share some tips to avoid common mistakes traders make with it. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how this indicator can boost your trading game. Introducing the Supertrend Indicator. The Supertrend Indicator is a popular technical analysis tool used by traders to identify the direction of a trend and provide potential buy or sell signals. It's particularly valued for its simplicity and effectiveness in trending markets. It is an excellent tool for trend-following strategies and can be used in various ways by traders and investors across markets. Here's how it works and what it offers. The Supertrend Indicator is based on two key inputs. The average true range, more popularly known as the ATR, which is used to measure market volatility. Multiplier, a value that determines the sensitivity of the indicator to price movements. Using these, the indicator plots a line above or below the price. Above the price indicates a downtrend and suggests a sell signal. Below the price indicates an uptrend and suggests a buy signal. The supertrend shifts direction only when the price crosses above or below the indicator line, helping traders identify potential trend reversals. Trend identification quickly shows whether the market is in an uptrend or downtrend. Entry and exit points provides clear buy or sell signals based on its position relative to the price. Volatility adjustment adjusts to market volatility via the ATR, making it useful across different asset classes and time frames.
Speed. Thoughts on your performance so far?
The Supertrend Indicator is easy to use and highly customizable, making it a favorite for traders seeking straightforward tools to guide their decisions. It works well in trending markets, but may give false signals in sideways or choppy conditions. Suitable for stocks, forex, commodities, and even cryptocurrencies. Here's what it can be used for. Identifying market trends. This makes it an excellent tool for understanding the broader market direction. Uptrend. When the indicator line is below the price, it signals an uptrend suggesting bullish momentum. Downtrend. When the line is above the price, it indicates a downtrend highlighting bearish momentum. Buy signal. Triggered when the price moves above the supertrend line, indicating a potential entry point for long positions. Sell signal. Triggered when the price falls below the supertrend line, suggesting an opportunity to exit long positions or enter short positions. Setting stop-loss levels. The supertrend line can act as a dynamic stop-loss level for long trades. Use the line as a trailing stop below the price. For short trades, use the line as a trailing stop above the price. This helps in locking in profits and managing risk effectively. Filtering noise in volatile markets. By using the ATR, average true range, for its calculations, the supertrend adjusts to market volatility. This allows traders to filter out minor price fluctuations and focus on significant trends. Combining with other indicators, the supertrend works well when combined with other indicators like moving averages to confirm trend direction, RSI or MACD, to identify overbought or oversold conditions, enhancing decision-making. And I implore you to avoid the idealistic mistake that new traders commonly make, thinking they'll master forex trading in no time. Always remember, no indicator by itself is profitable, nor can it by itself constitute a feasible strategy for the long term. Scalping and intraday trading. The indicator is particularly popular among intraday traders who need quick trend identification and actionable signals in short time frames. Multi-market versatility, suitable for trading various asset classes like stocks, forex, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Now that we've discussed what the Supertrend Indicator is, now we can talk about how to apply it to our trading. First off, select a time frame based on your trading style. Example, 5-minute for intraday, daily for swing trading. Next is the input settings. Feel free to play around the input to find the best inputs that match your trading style. The default settings are ATR period. 10, multiplier. 3. Adjust these based on the asset's volatility. A lower multiplier gives more signals but increases the risk of false signals. Phi signal, price closes above the supertrend line. The supertrend line turns green or appears below the price. Confirm with additional indicators like RSI, above 50, or MACD, bullish crossover. Sell signal price closes below the supertrend line. The supertrend line turns red or appears above the price. Confirm with other tools like RSI below 50 or MACD, bearish crossover. Exit long price closes below the supertrend line during a buy trade. Alternatively, set a trailing stop loss slightly below the supertrend line. Exit short. Price closes above the supertrend line during a sell trade. Use a trailing stop loss above the line to protect profits. Use the supertrend line as your dynamic stop loss. Risk only a small percentage of your capital per trade. Avoid sideways markets. The supertrend is less effective in ranging markets. Use additional indicators like Bollinger Bands or ADX to filter out non-trending conditions. Combine indicators. Pair with RSI, moving averages, or MACD for stronger signal confirmation. Fact test your strategy. Test the settings and rules on historical data for the asset you're trading to find optimal configurations. The Supertrend trading strategy is simple and effective in trending markets. However, like all indicators, it's not foolproof. Use it as part of a broader trading plan, incorporating proper risk management and confirmation tools to increase its reliability. In other words, the Supertrend Indicator is a simple yet powerful tool that helps traders stay on the right side of the market. However, it's best used in trending markets and should be paired with other tools or strategies to reduce the impact of false signals during sideways or choppy market conditions. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about mastering the Forex market, be sure to hit that subscribe button to join our community of aspiring traders. We release lots of valuable content like this, so don't miss out on any of it. Thank you for watching.